All right, Mr. Preston, tell us what you've been doing in kindergarten this week.
Adding numbers and doing a W and G.
W and G, 2 letters now this week. Oh, what sound does the W make?
What?
Very good. What sound does G make?
G.
Very good. You feel it in your throat? Yeah, good job. And Preston, you talked about adding numbers. What does that mean when you add numbers?
And then you add them when you're missing numbers.
Okay, do you put them together or do you take some away when you add?
Get them.
Yeah, you get them and you put them together, don't you? Yeah. Okay. Is there anything else that you guys did in kindergarten this week?
We got some new words with.
Of and with. So some new sight words, huh? Yeah. Are those easy or hard, Preston? Easy. I bet they're easy for you, aren't they? Yeah. Okay, buddy. Can you think of anything else? No? Okay. Who do you want to say hello to, Preston?
My family.
Your family. Give them a wave, buddy. Good work. All right, Spencer. Big first grade. What have you guys been doing over there in first grade?
In math, we've been talking about coins and pennies that are in nickels and dimes.
Hey, what's the brown one called?
A penny.
Very good. And do you know how much a penny is worth?
1 cent.
Yeah, it's the smallest, isn't it? Do you know which one is the biggest in size? The big silver one. Which one's the biggest one? Do you remember?
The 25 cents.
And do you remember what that coin is called?
Quarter.
Very good. You're super smart. All right, buddy. What else you got?
I've got a book of Fly Guy. Lucas brought it in. We're talking about Fly Guy, and we have it in reading.
Oh, you've been doing it in reading. You've been talking about Fly Guy. Is that Fly Guy on the front of the book?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
And then
who's that character down there in the car? What's his name? Do you remember?
Buzz.
Buzz, right?
And then in our big reader, we had like Fly Guy in it.
Oh, so you had a story like that in your reading book too, huh?
It's a little different.
Uh-huh.
And it said burp in there.
Oh my goodness. I bet you like those stories, don't you? Yeah, they're pretty funny. There's a whole bunch. Hold the book up so we can see on the back of the book. See, there's a whole bunch of those Buzz Boy and Fly Guy, aren't they? There's a whole bunch of those books. So if kids liked the Fly Guy story from reading this week, they could probably get a book like that, couldn't they? And read those. Do you think that's something you might do? Yeah, because they're pretty funny, aren't they?
I
Yeah.
think I've got some at home.
Do you? I bet you'll be looking for them, won't you? Yeah. All right. Spencer, is there anything else that you guys did? What did you do for Valentine's Day? Did you get started on something there?
No, not yet. We're
No.
having it next week, Valentine's Day.
Okay.
And Juna B says it like this, Valentine.
Oh, Judy B. Jones doesn't she? She says it a little funny, doesn't she? And what are you supposed to be working on to get ready for your Valentine's Day party?
We might take in like Valentine's boxes, like shoe boxes
Mhm.
or the other.
What are we going to put in those?
We're gonna put cards and candy.
Oh, Valentines for each other, right? And we give Valentines to our friends, don't we? To let them know that we care about them. We appreciate them being our friend, right? All right. Anything else that you've done?
We're gonna a quarter, $50 is 50 cents.
50 cents. That's a big one, isn't it? Okay. Mr. Spencer, who would you like to say hello to?
My teacher in my class.
All right, give him a wave. Good job. All right, Paige, tell us what you've been learning in second grade.
We've been learning about fractions.
Ooh, you guys made something. I saw them sitting out. They had to bake. What did you make in class?
Those were fraction pizzas.
Fraction pizzas. What did you put on your fraction pizza?
We put a little note at the bottom
Mm-hmm.
for how many toppings were on each slice of pizza?
That's right, so you could figure out the fractions, right? Were those pizzas really ones that we could have eaten?
No.
No.
They were just made of paper.
That's right, but did they help you understand fractions?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What else have you done this week?
We've been working on a fraction friend for Chatterpix.
Oh, what is Chatterpix?
Chatterpix is something where you talk as your voice and you get to hear it, and then you can put your name and decorate it.
And what's that on? Is that on paper?
No.
No, what's Chatterpix on?
Chatterpix is on an iPad.
Oh, so you're doing some digital things. So they're on the iPads, those Chatterpix. Okay. All right. What else do you have there?
We also are doing a test today.
Oh, are you ready for that test?
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Our essential question is, how do we understand nature?
Oh, okay.
And we're reading drama stories.
What's a drama?
A drama is like a play.
Okay. Okay. What else do you have on your note there?
How we are reading, how we answer our reading questions.
What do you have to remember when you're answering a reading question?
I'm not sure.
Do you just make it up in your brain?
No.
No. Where do you go to for help?
You can go back in the story and read for text and the things.
Perfect. That's exactly how you help answer those questions. Good job. All right. Anything else we should know about second grade?
We also watched a video about Groundhog Day.
Hey, did Punxsutawney Phil see his shadow this year?
No,
Do you know what that means?
that we get early spring.
Very good. I'm excited about that. How about you?
Also, I lost a tooth.
Also, you lost a tooth. Very nice. It's been a big week for you then, hasn't it? All right, Paige, who do you want to say hello to?
My class and my teacher and everyone in the world.
Okay, give them a wave. Great work. All right, Miss Allison, tell us what you've been doing in third grade.
We've been working on expository text.
Oh, what's an expository text?
It's something that, it's a story that is
So nonfiction, right? Expository is a pretty fancy word, though, isn't it? Okay. All right. What else have you been doing?
We read about the first flight.
The first flights. Okay. Can you remember something that you learned? Were they recently or a long time ago?
A long time.
Yeah. And were they really safe or were they pretty dangerous? A little bit of both, weren't they? Would you have ever put yourself in one of those first airplanes? No way, right? Okay. What else is on your note, babe?
We are talking about cause and effect.
Okay. Is there always an effect if there's a cause? Yes, there's always something that happens, right? Okay.
We've been working on multiple meaning words.
Oh, multiple meaning words. Okay, can you think of one? I'm putting you on the spot, aren't I? Yeah. Your, okay. What would be the different meanings for that? Like you are, right? And your friends, the possessive, right? Good. Okay, you have any others?
Homophone spelling.
That's a homophone. The your and your are homophones. You remember now, aren't you? Okay, so a multiple meaning word would be a word that is always spelled the same, but you can use it for different reasons, right? Okay. All right, what else you got? Ooh. Are they hard or easy usually?
Kind of both.
Kind of both, aren't they? Yeah. But they help you get your brain muscle big and strong, don't they? Okay. Anything else? No? Okay, Miss Allison, who do you want to say hello to? Everybody. All right, Nathan. What have the fourth graders been doing this week in class?
Well, we have been, we've,
You forget. How about I help you, okay?
yeah,
What have you been doing in math class?
we've been learning about equivalent fractions.
What's that word equivalent mean?
Equivalent,
I kind of stumped you. It starts the same as as when I do an addition problem like 4 plus 7, and then I say 4 plus 7
equals 11.
Yeah. So an equivalent fraction, two sets are fractions that equal each other, right?
Yeah.
They're the same, right?
Mhm.
Okay. All right. So equivalent fractions, and fractions are tough. We're doing that across the building in lots of different grade levels, and they're hard, aren't they? Yeah. Okay. Anything else that you can think of in math?
We've been doing mixed numbers
Okay.
and picture fractions.
Okay. And then let's talk a little bit about reading. What have you guys been doing this week in reading? Can you remember what kind of story you read, or?
We read no.
Okay. You don't have to remember the title. Was it a fiction story or nonfiction?
It was a fiction.
Okay. And was it set in today's time, or was it a long time ago?
It was when Neil Armstrong hit the moon.
Okay, so you've been reading expository text?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. And we've been hearing a lot about that. Across the building, a lot of grade levels are doing expository. Okay, in science, you guys have been doing a lot of fun things. I know over across in the science lab, you were over in the science lab. What have you guys been doing in the science lab?
We've been talking about electricity.
Mm-hmm. And have you been doing anything with that?
Yeah, we've been messing with wires and batteries and lights.
Have you shocked yourself yet?
No.
Okay, good. Whew, you said we're messing with them, but you're not really messing. You're really building a lot of things, right?
Yeah, but Miss Iceland was messing around for a while.
Oh, she did. She let you explore a little bit, didn't she? Yeah, see what would happen. That's what good scientists do, don't they? Yeah, they test some different things and just see what happens,
Of
don't they?
course, she uses her kids to do that. But
Well, that's all right. You're supposed to be able to problem solve. All right, bud, who do you want to say hello to?
no.
Well, how about you say hello to me?
Hello, Miss Merchant.
Hello, Nathan. All right, great job, bud. All right, Miss Kylie, tell us what the fifth graders have been learning about.
In history, we were making colony balloons.
Oh, colony balloons. What, like you're blowing up balloons and...
Now we have different colonies, and then we design the front and the back, and then we staple it, and then we stick paper.
Okay, so are there rules about what you design or put in your design?
You look up stuff about your colony.
Okay.
And write it on it.
So it has to include certain facts and details about your colony. What colony did you have? Georgia. Oh, but Georgia's a state.
It is also a colony.
Oh, started out as a colony,
Yeah.
didn't it? Yeah, it's just a part of the country that's been around for a long, long time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, what else have you guys been doing in fifth grade?
We read Watson Goes to Birmingham, and we also watched the movie.
I love that story. What was your favorite part of the story?
When his brother got his tongue stuck to the
Chapter 1, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
car.
Yep, he froze it, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of like that movie, The Christmas Story, where that kid froze his tongue to the flagpole.
Yeah.
In the book, in the Watsons Go to Birmingham, he actually does it to the car mirror, doesn't
Yeah.
he? Yeah, that's the first chapter. It always grabs all the good readers. Okay, what else?
In math, we were adding and subtracting fractions.
Ooh, like denominators or unlike?
Unlike
Hard? No, a breeze for you, huh? You know what? It's pretty awesome because I'm glad that we're learning that now because those are pre-algebra and algebra skills. You'll have to be able to do that when you get into high school. So it's pretty awesome that we're getting that covered now. All right, anything else that you want to share?
In reading, we were learning poetry, reverse and lyrics.
Oh, okay. So if I were to give you an example, a poem that does not rhyme, doesn't really have any rules to it, what kind of poem is that? Good. And what's a lyric then?
A lyric was to a song.
Yeah, so a lyric, the author would write it and then they would play music with it, right? Okay, can you think of any songs now that you already know the lyrics to?
Not really.
Songs on the, I'm not asking you to sing them, okay? But you know words to music that you like, right? Yeah, so you know lots of lyrics. So you know lots of poetry.
Yeah.
Did you ever think about songs being poetry?
No.
Yeah, they're lyrics. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, anything else you want to share with us?
That's it.
That's it. All right. Who do you want to say hello to?
We're not in this house.
All right, give them away. Good work.